My name is James Andrews. I'm senior estimator for 5 Seasons Mechanical. I've been here for about a little over 2 years, and we do light to medium commercial HVAC. We do office buildings, dental clinics, primary care centers, elementary schools. We do contracting, renovations, new construction, but we also have a service group. And our service group also does retrofit of mechanical equipment in different facilities. So I used to do hard takeoffs just on plans and specs. It's just amazing how much quicker it is to be able to do a takeoff on the computer than the old-fashioned way where you had to have plans printed up, you had to bring them in, you had to use colored pencils when you were taking systems off, piping and ductwork and so forth. Color it up as you go along, measure it with a tape or some kind of measuring device actually on the drawings, and Stack just does all that automatically. Well, the deciding factor for us was the simplicity use of the system, it being very user-friendly. We could get new people oriented on it very quickly. It was not as complex a takeoff system as some of the others that we looked at. It just allows us to estimate more jobs in a day's time. It would take most of the day to just do one job. Now we can do 2 or 3 jobs in the same amount of time. Anytime we had a problem, right there on the screen we can go and do a chat with the support guy, and within a sentence or two he's got it straightened out and heading in the right direction. I actually enjoy doing the takeoff on computer. It's just to be able to blow the plans up, on the screen, to be able to look at the details that you might have missed if you were looking at a hard copy. That's one of the features I like the best. And then the reports at the end of the job, that you can tailor the reports to however you want to finalize your estimate. It's all cloud-based, so we can put any number of jobs on Stack. And one of the best things is sometimes it's a year before we hear on a job, and sometimes it can be 2 or 3 months. So it's great to be able to go back and find that job on Stack and review it if there were changes that come up, or the general contractor has decided he wants to eliminate some things or change some things. Then we've got the drawings, we've got the project right there on Stack. We can go back and look at it, and we can make changes very easily. It's really nice to be able to pick and choose the projects that look the best for us, to be able to do a very concise, detailed takeoff with Stack. It's also great to be able to go and sit down in a general contractor's office and pull out our file and show him our takeoff, which is all colored up, with the Stack symbols and everything that we use when we made the takeoff. It's very impressive when we do a presentation to a general contractor.